What's up guys, this is your boy, the Average Gamer 98 over here, back with another video. And in this video, we are going to review and do a quick unboxing of the Asus TUF H5 Lite gaming headphones, which is an entry-level gaming headphone in India. And we're going to get started with this video right now.
So here we have the package in its full glory. And with that being said, let's look at the package over here. I kind of apologize for the glare that you're getting at the top. It's because of my light. But with that being said, let's jump into this video here. So this particular headphone is Discord as well as TeamSpeak certified, which means the mic clarity from this headphone is kind of expected to be well, like as you can see over here. It's certified from both. So let's flip it over and look at the left hand side. You have a branding of Asus TUF Gaming H5 Lite written, as well as it's a gaming headset. Moving on to the back, we have few more features of the headset over here, which kind of reflects more durability as well as more bass. We're going to test that out as well. Also, this is cross-platform compatible, which means it is compatible across your devices, mobile, consoles, Nintendo Switch, controllers, you name it, and this is like cross-platform compatible. On the right hand side, we have some specifications. It's barely visible. Let's not jump into that. I'll leave it for now. So let's get started with the unboxing. Over here, I have my scissors and I'm kind of bad at unboxing. So let's see how this goes. Not successful till now, but I guess I'll be. So here I can tear this end up, and let me try to slide in the scissor here so that I can get a clearer cut. So it's not happening with my fingers. Let me try to slide the scissor in, and here I am in. Now I am in, and finally the outer wrapper is out. Now we have the box in his full glory. So let's jump into the box. We can open the box from the top. I'm not gonna show what's down there, like you just have the product numbers and all, but let's jump into the top. We have a flap over here. We can open the flap, and once we open the flap, we are able to get into this box and the gaming headset as well. So this is how the gaming headset looks like when we first unbox it, and you have a silica gel just to keep freshness and all. And so there are some bands over here which I need to remove, and I have to flip it over and remove it. So let me do that and get back. So now I have removed the bands here. Like you can see, I am just removing the bands, and finally I will be able to take the headset out of the socket over here. And this is how the headset looks like. It looks kind of decent, looks kind of cool with the golden accents there, golden yellow accents, as well as the TUF branding on both the sides. The cushions are soft. It's a foam cushion, it's not a leather cushion. The impedance over here, rather the drivers over here for the headphone is like 50 ohm, which is pretty great. The sound clarity and the sound quality should be good as well. And here we have the headphone jack, which is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you have inline mic controls with a collar holder as well as volume keys over here. You can turn the mic controls switch on and off, and this is the volume control at the side. So let's keep this aside. What else do we have? We have a mic at the end. I'm gonna jump into that detachable mic at the end. Here we have the audio splitter. So this audio splitter can be used as well. So let's open this out. You can actually use this audio splitter to convert the sound into 7.1 surround sound. So this socket over here that you're seeing, this jack over here, this is for the microphone. This is not for this jack, is that you can just insert this jack into here, but it's not for this one. It's actually for the microphone. So I'm gonna jump into that microphone at the end of this part. And here we have some user guide and the warranty card as well to have a reference to. So this concludes this part. We don't have anything else over here. What we else have left is the microphone, which is here lying. And let's take out the microphone from here, and let's attach the microphone. Kind of looks okay. kind of looks good. We can attach this microphone into the 3.5 mm jack here of this headphone. So this is how the headphone would look like. I know it's a bit of a messy unboxing that I did over here, but this is how the Asus TUF gaming headphones looks like. So let's jump on into the part where I'm going to review the audio quality of the Asus TUF gaming headphone and how it appears actually.
So this is how the headphone looks like. So I don't have the jack still inserted into my recording camera, but this is how the headphone will look like once you're wearing it. It's pretty comfortable while you're wearing it, and as you can see, the accents are pretty much visible as well for someone who is kind of seeing your video. And overall it feels pretty comfortable. The foams are pretty nice. These are not leather cups, and definitely the foams feels like plush as well as kind of soft, and the headband rests pretty smoothly as well. So now I'm gonna just insert the jack of this headphone and the mic together. So I have the splitter here, but I'm not gonna use the splitter, so I'm gonna open up the splitter here and just insert the only the jack. So let's see how the sound quality changes. So I've inserted the jack. Right now the recording is with the mic that is available with the headphones, and this is this mic that is being used. I also have an inline mic. You have this collar holder as well, so you can kind of plug it in, and you're probably getting a lot of distortion and sound here right now because like I kind of brushed it as well. So also what you can do is remove this headphone. This is detachable, or rather not the headphone, rather the mic. So this is detachable, so you can detach it. Now this audio that you're hearing right now will be from the inline mic, so I hope you guys can understand the difference that is gonna come up. And with that being said, this audio can be tuned with the Armor software of ROG, and that works pretty well as well. So overall, I believe this is a good headphone, and if you're using this headphone, you can actually listen to music as well. The bass is pretty good, pretty amazing for a starter headphone that is priced at 4,200 odd rupees, which roughly translates to around $60 to $70. So definitely it's worthwhile. And the other options at this price range that you have is the JBL Quantum 300. So JBL Quantum 300 is also a good headphone to use, but I personally prefer this because of the tougher branding, and definitely this is something supported for ROG and directly through the gaming, like the gaming centric kind of a device as well. So with that being said, this concludes this video of using the Asus TUF for like headphones, as well as I wish I could give you like an overview directly of the game sounds, but technical feasibility from my end right now is not there. So maybe in the next like in the near future, in next videos, like if I'm able to do that, I'll do that as well. So with that being said, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content of the unboxing, as well as a quick short review of the Asus TUF gaming headphones H5 Lite. And this is your boy, the Average Gamer 98 over here, signing off. You guys take care, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.